Hey, it's Michael from Food Safety Guides. Today we're going to take a look at how to bookmark preventive controls for human food regulations in the Chrome browser. So let's jump to the ECFR, which is just the electronic code of federal regulations. And it's a very user-friendly format. So let's jump in and take a look. Okay, now here's the starting point. I can use this drop down here to select the title of interest. For me, if I'm looking for FDA regulations, I go to Title 21. So let's go. Okay, now I'm hunting for preventive controls for human food regulations. So I need 117. So I'll select this range here, scroll down to my favorite part, and here it is. Now I can select between this one here. This link gives me access to all of the regulations all at once for Part 117, and this one by section. I personally like by section, because if I'm working with a client and I need to refer a individual section, I can do it here. Now I want to bookmark this. So there's a few different ways you can do that. You can go to the top of your Chrome bookmark dropdown at the very top of your screen. Can't see it here. Or you could select this little star. I'm going to write 21 CFR 117. Now you can see here Chrome prompts me to add it to an existing folder, or maybe a folder I've used recently. I'm going to select more and select bookmark bar. So if I select bookmark bar there, it'll add the bookmark here at the top of my browser. But I want to create a folder, so I'll call it the ECFR beta because I already have one, and select save. And there it is. So next time I open my Chrome browser and I want to jump to preventive controls regulations, I can select the folder here and go straight to the page of interest. Now, if I decided that I didn't want to put a name, I could just use the icon, as you can see here. Now, that's not terribly useful there. As you can see, it's more useful for things like Google Calendar and so on. So I'll probably change that back to 21 CFR 117. Now, if you don't see the bookmarks in the bar there, it may be because you have to show it. So I'm going to drop down the overflow icon, select bookmarks, and show bookmark bar. This is another place you can access the bookmarks. It's just less convenient. Another way is through your bookmark manager. And I also find this interface to be not super friendly. A big takeaway here is also you can once you create your bookmark, you can move them from folder to folder. So if I wanted to drop into my ECFR folder, it'll drop it down at the bottom, and then you can move it to the top wherever you'd like. I hope you enjoyed the video. Good luck out there.